Welcome to the tutorial, Finding a Known Article in the MSU Libraries, created by the Research Services Department. Do you have a citation and want to check if MSU Libraries has the full text? You can use EBSCO Discovery to search for the entire article. To start, go to the library homepage. Either put your cursor into the Start Searching box, which automatically defaults to Discovery, or click EBSCO Discovery under More Search Tools. Copy and paste the title from your citation list, or manually type the article title into the search box. You may want to put the title in quotation marks for accuracy. Then click Search. If the title is indexed in any of the databases aggregated in Discovery, it should appear in the results. The citation may have a PDF attached. In that case, we are sure that there is full text. However, if there is a Find It button, you may click through to see if the full text is offered through another database or publisher. This article, for example, is linked through the journal's publisher. If you click Find It and the article is not in full text online, check the library's physical collection for the print edition. If it's not in our collection, your next step will be to request it via interlibrary loan. Please refer to the ILL tutorial to learn how to request your article from another library. One last note, this method is not foolproof because not all databases are included in Discovery. For more assistance from one of our librarians, please visit the Ask a Librarian page.